Yo guys, what is going on? My name is Biggie Cheese and welcome back to today's video. Today we're back in I Am Cat. And we are... Oh, fishy. Spider Cat's back. See, the Spider Cat is back. So if you guys don't remember the last video, what we did, we are going to finish doing the tasks and in the process try and escape Grandma's house. Because guess what? Bend it down, bend it in, bend it in. Run. She's only out for so long. How? She can't reach me up here. Well, how can she reach me? I don't like Grandma. She's abusive to her cat. My mommy told me I was the prettiest froggy ever. I was born in a nuclear power plant, and my mommy said I was a pretty froggy. Spider cat does whatever a spider cat does. Can he swim? No, he can't. Why not? He's a cat. Look out! Here comes a spider cat. Oh, wait, no. Let me get up. Come on. Go. Ah, I can't trail like a spider cat. I hate the crap. Knock things over now. Dropping down on you. Yeah. Grandma! Uh-oh. Grandma! Oh, Liz. Oh my God. Uh-oh. Oh, she put a pan out on me. Oh, yeah. Open door. Okay, no. Don't open. Spider cat. Okay. Transfer a plant. I didn't do it. Oh, come here, plant. Yeah. Yeah. Come on. Oh yeah, there we go. Okay. I'm gonna grab this flower pot. I'm gonna grab that one. Okay. Okay, here we go. There we go. Okay. Flower pot's right there. Okay, let's go. Please. I did it! Okay. Hey, Fluffy Joe, neighbor. And you can be nice when you want to be nice. Still, I didn't finish reading. Fish out the aquarium, break the piggy bank, open 3 boxes of food. Bet. Let's scale up this thingy. Uh-oh. Alright, Spider Cat. I'm not a Spider Cat. I'm Super Cat. Oh. Okay. Hold on. Super Cat. Okay, let's go. Romeo Fishy. Come on, buddy. Come on, there's solid food right there. Okay, how do I... Oh. Ah. Oh no, I dropped food. Okay. What else do we have? We're gonna go break the piggy bank. Come on, come on. Yeah. Can't touch the... I'm making her just more and more mad. Oh, I actually dropped it on her head. Oh, now she's mad. Come on, spider, kitty, kitty. Well, I'm super cat now. Bye-bye. Gonna open this. Did I eat it? Yum. Oh. Wait. Okay. Let's see. Refrigerator. Open. Let's open the fridge. Oh, I can actually open the fridge. What is in here? Can I open these? No, I don't want that. Nah. Ooh, what's in the pot? Wait, we can cook? Where will my arm go? Come on. You have hot dogs as well? Eggplant. Okay. Ooh, chili peppers. Just spill the bowl. Welcome back to... Okay. What's in here? Nothing. Come on. Smell the chicken. Oh yeah, that chicken's ready. Trying to cook something else. Let's cook it. Let's cook a chili. Wait, what's inside of here? Nothing. Okay. Keep throwing it. I'm cooking a chili pepper. Oh, yes, spatula. SpongeBob would be so proud. Wait, there's a reset button? Oh, it's a hunt. Can I eat the chicken? Oh, it's tasty. Okay. Time to go back fishing. Figure out how to fish. Come here, Grandma. Yoink. Oh, she actually hit me. Grandma. How could you hit your own cat? Why? Okay, we're gonna try this again. Let's go fishing. Let's go gambling. Oh, dang it. Come on, fishies. Got him. Super cat, super cat. I don't know if Spider-Man or not Spider-Man. Oh wait, yes. Come here, food. I see you're not going without food. How do you handle a knife for cooking? Of course, go to the kitchen. Okay. I got a knife. Too quiet. Turn off the radio. Turn on the water in the faucet. Let's turn the radio up. Come on. Hey, bam. Okay, I kind of want to shut up now. Thank you. Go. Okay. Yeah. Come on. Okay. No. Speaky. I'm gonna just knock everything over. Spider Super Cat. Da-da-da! Oh, that's glitched. No. Come on, the kitty toaster. It's working. Did I do it? I thought I did it. Maybe I have to put it on for longer. I don't know. We'll figure it out next time. In the next video. Right after we break a couple things. And of course break a couple things in real life. No, I hit something. Whoopsies. Oh damn. Okay. The way she falls down is crazy. Well, I better get running before Grandma catches me. Oh my God, wait, she can go up the stairs? Get over there. Yeah. Oh, and Grandma's sitting on the stairs. I think this is like the only spot she can't get me. I have no idea. Did she just make a basketball shot? Oh no. Alrighty, everybody. Thank you so much for watching. And yeah, please be careful today. Take it easy. And please enjoy the rest of your day. If you guys did enjoy today's video, please let me know down in the comments below. And what you guys want to see next. And please consider subscribing. You know, It would help me out a lot and make me very happy. If we can reach 1,000 subscribers, I'd be so happy, and I'd post for you guys. I'd try and post at least every day. But in other words, thank you guys so much today. Be on the lookout for a second video today, possibly a third video. But look out for that today. One more time, we are gonna knock out Grandma, and then wait, I missed. All right, she's knocked out, and Super Cat is off to the races. Uh-oh, she's gonna wake up any second. Oh, no, she's not. Okay. Alright, everybody. Thank you guys so much for watching. And we're going to jump into the fridge. Just throw things out. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and share the video if you would like to. You guys are awesome. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye. Hey, really quick, guys, I'm running away from Grandma. Ooh, excuse me. My name is Biggie Cheese, and I just want to say thank you for watching today's video. And of course, Grandma, I just want to say thank you guys for watching today's video. Please like and subscribe, and you never know, I'd maybe find another video that you like, you know? Go ahead, click right there for another video, and right down there for just to watch another one. Alrighty, thank you guys. Everybody have a blessed and beautiful day. If you're driving, drive safe. This is Biggie Cheese, signing off.